Gautam Adani has outlined his ambitious plans to step out of India and build infrastructure overseas. Addressing the 2022 annual general meeting of the Adani Group, the billionaire chairman claimed that several countries have approached the group asking it to build their infrastructure. He said that the market cap of the group exceeded $200 billion this year and that it was only now that the group was really gathering momentum.
While we may look back and feel content, it is only now that we are gathering real momentum. What we have been able to achieve in 2 decades is become India's largest integrated infrastructure business based on a rapid extension into our adjacent businesses. This has resulted in our transformations into an integrated platform of platforms that combines an energy platform with a logistics platform, both of which help us with unprecedented access to the Indian consumer. I today know of no company that has such a unique business model with potential access to an unlimited B2B and B2C market for the next several decades. Dear shareholders, I am an incurable optimist. I always believed India is one of the greatest countries for an entrepreneur to learn, develop and flourish. Today, I see real drive in the youth to reclaim our economic stature and gain back our position as a primary force in our global affairs.
The private sector lender Yes Bank improved on its bad assets during its Q1 earnings. The gross non-performing assets of the company fell to 13.45% of gross advances versus 15.6% in the last year. Here's an excerpt of the conversation with Siddharth Zarabi, Managing Editor, Business Today TV, and Prashant Kumar, MD and CEO, Yes Bank.
Begin with the big news for Yes Bank investors, which is the formation of the asset reconstruction company. Clearly, it's going to help in cleaning up the balance sheet. What is the plan in this regard, and by when can we expect a zero NPA sort of situation for your bank?
We finalized our partner on 15th of July after almost a year-long process. And they have given us a base bid of 11,183 crores, which is 135% of our net carrying value of the NPA in our balance. So basically, this also demonstrates in terms of that our provisions coverage has much more than the recoverability. And the further recoveries out of those stress assets would add to our profit. After finalization of the partner, we have already launched a Swiss challenge as per the regulatory guidelines. And Saturday was the last day to get the expression of interest. The 2 large players have participated in this process, and now they will be doing a due diligence and submitting their final financial bid by the end of August. So I think once we are able to do this, we are expecting like in October, we would be able to consummate this transaction, and the bank would remain with the NPA of 1.5 to 2%. And then we can take a call about those NPAs. So basically, the NPAs would come down significantly, and then going forward, we can also make it like a zero NPA.